Hi guys, so today yung discussion natin yung mga recent updates dito kay Hamster Combat and yung mga potential top turn no, na kagaya ni Hamster Combat na sa tingin ko, discuss natin yan dito sa video natin today. Pero bago tayo dito mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel guys. No? So, for now, dito tayo ngayon sa dashboard ni Hamster Combat. Ayan. Dito guys, na-claim naman natin yung pinaka daily combo as of today guys, no. So today is June 20, tapos yung Cypher, no. Daily Cypher na claim din natin ito, and as per checking dito, ito yung recent updates for Hamster Combat. Meron silang mga added dito na bagong task. Discuss natin yung daily combo today guys, as well as yung sa tingin ko na potential top to earn guys, no, yung kagaya ni Hamster Combat. Again guys, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for friends, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice, no. So ngayon I already compile itong mga top to earn list guys, no. So for me, on my own perspective lang dito guys, is that ito yung sa tingin ko potential, no. So ito, lalay ko na lang yung pinaka Telegram group details sa description ng video na ito. Pwede kayo dito guys mag-join. It's free lang naman dito, or kung napapanood mo man to sa desktop, lalabas na lang yung pinaka QR code dyan. You can scan that, tapos directly ka na mapupunta dito sa pinaka group na ito guys, no. So dito merong daily combo, no. So as of June 20, ayan. So, meron ditong daily combo which is marketing. Under siya ng PR and team, no. Tapos, social hamster conference. Ito. Under ng specials. Tapos, meron ka makikita doon na tab na maliit sa baba. New cards. So, doon mo ito makikita, no. Itong special hamster conference. And itong next is trading bots. Itong pangatlo na kukompleto dito sa daily combo natin, which is under ng markets, no. Pagkatapos niyan, once na makompleto mo, you can get 5M dito, no. So sa daily Cypher naman guys, ito. So as of today, June 20. So bago lang din to guys, no. Kanina lang. Ito yung pinaka-expiration time niya. So today Cypher, which is fork, no. So ito is mga cryptos lang. So yung fork is hindi yung karne, no. Ito is a part ng network upgrade in crypto space. Mekanismo ito in crypto space para ma-upgrade yung isang network ng isang platform or isang blockchain guys, no. So ito yung meaning ng fork. So dito mabilis lang naman na gawin. Meron tayong video na ginawa natin yan. So andito naman yung mga details guys, no. At ito to be deleted day by day, no. So dito ko na lang i-update if ever man na meron mga developments, updates dito. So dito sa Telegram if ever na hindi ko ma-upload sa YouTube guys, no? Kasi it's very challenging din, kaya advance na nga yung pinaka-discussions natin dito sa pag-cash out na ito, no. So yun, other updates pa dito guys, yung mga top to earn na list andito nakalagay, no. So yun, mga TAs, technical analysis, meron tayo dito mga modules as well, you can claim dito sa group. Pwede nyong study yan, andyan yung pinaka details. 2019 pa yan na technical analysis modules guys, no. And I think next week kakaiba na yung pinaka market din. As of now, consolidation yung market, kaya dito tayo ngayon medyo naging busy sa top to earn, no. Hope you get some ideas dito guys sa video natin today. And kung hindi nyo pa pala napapanood yung video natin, automated naman yon kay Natcoin, is that lalay ko na lang dito sa screen. And see you sa video na yun guys. Maraming salamat ulit sa panonood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.